All right, everybody, enough of that Super Bowl shit. We're about to get back into some real food. It's cold, so let's do a soup. Shout out to Eat Figs, Not Pigs. She came out with this recipe, Deconstructed Spicy Wonton Soup. I've tried it, it's fire. And if you're feeling bad, if you're under the weather, this is perfect, especially the broth. I don't know if you ever had Deconstructed Wonton Soup. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, if you've seen my spicy wonton recipe, it's somewhat similar. You remember how we prepped the meat? Now this is ground chicken. We're gonna put some ground chicken. That's a pound of ground chicken. Now, I have some chicken powder. I have a tablespoon of chicken powder, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a half a teaspoon of MSG, I have a tablespoon of 5 spice, and I have some red pepper flake. And I have some white pepper. I'm gonna pour that in there. Some Chinese cooking wine, some sesame oil, some water. That's about 1/4 cup of water. And then we have about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And you know what we do after that, just stir it up. And remember, this is how you want it to look at the end. That's it. Now we're gonna set this in the refrigerator while we prep our broth. All right, next, we're gonna do a half onion. All right, now, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of sesame oil in our pot. Add our half an onion. I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of minced garlic. Stir that up. So we're gonna sweat these down for a couple of minutes, medium-high heat. And once that's finished, we'll move on to the broth. And what I like to do right before I add the broth is add some green onion. All right, so we're gonna add 2 32-ounce boxes of chicken stock. Turn that fire up on high. Once it comes to a boil, we'll start adding our other ingredients. All right, now we're gonna add a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. Now let's add our chicken. Just gonna take a little scoop. All right, now that our chicken is cooked, we're gonna add our chopped bok choy. This is 1 head of bok choy. Cook that down. Now, we're also gonna add our wonton. You just get wonton wrappers, cut them in half diagonal. Sometimes it's stuck together. Now what I do is I add a whole pack. Look at that. Now you can make the size of, basically these are meatballs, but you can make the size of them however you want. We like ours a little on the big side. No, pause. But look at that. And then the broth is gonna thicken because of the cornstarch on the wonton wrappers. Spicy wonton soup, deconstructed spicy wonton soup. So first mix it up, put them spices in there. See that broth thickened from the cornstarch off the wonton wrappers. And I know it's a lot of y'all under the weather, so this is your go-to.
All right, now y'all, it's hot, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. How was your day today?
Take that one off.
What?
That shit stuck together. That's like a thick dumpling.
I like it like that.
Okay. You know what? Honestly, this is like an Asian style chicken and dumpling. If you think about it.
Yeah.
Think about it. That's what it is.
They took this from us. Might want to edit that out. Keep talking, it's hot. You don't see that
I'm just looking at you.
Because I still see steam.
Blow, baby, blow.
So y'all know I hate soup, but this, when he made it the other night, I was like, all right, I'll eat that.
Fire. Fire.
That shit is delicious.
Yeah, a little spicy. It is spicy.
Right.
And that's the good thing about a spicy wonton. It's gonna open up those nostrils, all the marijuana.
Excuse me, sorry. Yeah, it's spicy, y'all.
All right, you talk.
I can't even talk. It's spicy. It's delicious though. Yeah, I could definitely, like a meatball soup. Asian meatball soup, Asian.
Now, we all know that wonton doesn't come this big, but, huh?
Is that a meatball?
Yeah, but it's a deconstructed wonton.
Oh,
So they should be about
so
this
that's
little.
supposed to be inside the wonton.
Yeah, but this is more like
Matzo
xiaolong bao.
Xiaolong bao?
Xiaolong bao.
No.
Oh, what's the buns? No, the buns. This is how big it is inside the bun.
Yeah.
But I just like it like this. Fuck it. Let me take one bite.
So when she made hers, did she make her meatballs like big like that?
Well, no, they were smaller. Last time I made them smaller.
Yeah,
but,
I like them big.
Huh?
I like it big.
Yeah, I made them smaller last time, but after that, I was like, I want them bigger. Pause. But shout out to Eat Figs Not Pigs. She's vegan, so she made a vegan style spicy wonton.
What she put in her? Like tofu?
I don't know what for black bean tofu. I don't know what it was.
What's this?
This is chicken.
I like pork.
Okay, pork is better.
When you made
But I
the
made
pot
pork
stickers,
and shrimp.
Well, either way.
I made pork and shrimp last time, but I went with chicken, so my cameraman Julio can taste some. That shit fire.
It's spicy, y'all.
Have you ever had deconstructed wonton soup? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.